Matrix A has elements 6, 3, 2, 1 and matrix B has elements 0, -1, 3, -2. We need to obtain the matrix A minus 3B. So we get started. A minus 3B could be obtained as, we just replace the values here. Matrix A is 6, 3, 2, 1 minus 3 times matrix B, that is 0, -1, 3, -2. Now here we multiply 3 with each of these elements, that is we perform the scalar multiplication and we obtain 6, 3, 2, 1 minus, now multiplying each element by 3, so 3 times 0, that will be 0, 3 times -1 is -3, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times -2 is -6. And now we subtract the corresponding elements. So 6 minus 0, this will be the first difference. Then 3 minus of -3, so that becomes 3 plus 3. Next will be 2 minus 9. So 2 minus 9 and 1 minus -6. So that becomes 1 plus 6. So finally, the answer to this is, now 6 minus 0, that would be 6. 3 plus 3, that is again 6. 2 minus 9 is -7 and 1 plus 6, that is 7. So this is the required matrix A minus 3B.